Hi everyone, this is my new project. This one is Modular Robot 6. As you can see in front of you, this one is also fully ready. As you can see, I am showing you that I use two kinds of color is rusty metal color, actually three. This one is completely black, this one, and this part is kind of like browny black, and this one is olive green, or what you can say, it's like a light green, some sort of that color. Or the army green color. And also the lights are also green, so it's like I use cold color actually, cold and warm color. So like the concept of cold color, the green. And this is the head part, as you can see. And this one is the side angle, and the back side is yeah, obviously the nuclear section is there. And by texturing, this one is like looking like a very battle hardened kind of robot. And this one you can use it your RTS game, like your first person game, third person game, no problem. I mean you can use it um, in your sci-fi projects, or in your war game, or that sort of project, this game, that sort of games actually. And like the previous one, this is also the modular pack. That means that all the parts are separatable. As you can see, these are the texture set. So as you can see, I'm just showing you the parts. All the parts are there. Okay. So yeah, this is actually from the substance. I will, my flow already. I will show this one from the Unity HDRP, and then the Unreal Engine 5.3. So yeah, keep watching and keep sharing. And if you need this asset, just go to my asset store, or you can DM me. I will immediately, I will try to help you. And if I know that you are using my assets, then I will be very happy to know. And please visit my page. Thank you very much. Hello guys, this is the second part of the Modular Robot 6. As you can see, the template is Unity HDRP, High Definition Render Pipeline. As you can see here, the robot is fully ready. You can have the full look of this, and this one is coming with textures like yeah, this is the default texture, but texture is 4K, like all others. This is the mask map, this is the base map, and this is the normal map. As you can see, the 4K size, and they are all uncompressed. Yeah. And also the materials. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there are the parts and the materials are there. As you can see, the material shiness and bumpness and all the things are working so nice. And if I gonna show you in a maximized view, you can understand that this is going on. And these are the parts, you can see the leg part, the joint part, the foot, leg, lower part, leg, the middle part, and also these are the joints, these are the parts that the combination of the robot. Okay. So this one is actually very low poly. I'm making this one like in a low poly concept. So as you can see from the RTS kind of view, you can see here. and also the, if you use this in a in kind of third person view, you can have this. And also the first person view, you can also have this kind of things. So yeah, and finally I use some sort of post processing to, the glowing this part, and also the shadow, and the also this part, and the textures are working quite okay. The bumpness, the shine, and the dust and rust of these textures, and you see this kind of effects on the metal part. That is actually, I think, okay for the, for the textures. And yeah, I think this one is done for the Unity. And if you need this thing, I showed previously, if you need this one, you can contract with me, or you can go to my asset store. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me, and thank you. Keep watching this, and keep support upward, and keep following my page and my YouTube page also. Thank you very much. Hi guys, this is the last part from the Unreal Engine 5.3. As you can see, the modular robot is here. So you can see there are some mannequins there, and this is for the size comparison, that the robot is looking like this, and it's working properly. I think you can have the textures. They are 4K, all the textures, and the correspondent materials. And this is for the mannequin, and that's it. And simple daylight template, I mean the third person template. So yeah, if I go to the full view, you can have a better look that this is going to be okay from the back side, from this side. And yeah, so far so good. I think the texture is working properly. I mean, yeah, the rust and dust effect and all that, the light effects, they are working. I use kind of a small bloom effect here. And you can see the mannequins, they are for the size comparison I told. And yeah, so far this is from the top view, like a third person view, or this is from the RTS angle, the camera view, something like that. And you can have the first person view, something like that. And you can have also the third person view. So either way, the asset is I think the asset is okay to go with setup with these three tiers of the game, RTS, first person, and third person, no matter what is the project. But yeah, I think this going to be uh, a good match for this kind of projects. And the effects on the head side, the light effect is quite looking quite good actually. I mean the light effect, the greenish effect, and all that. So far I think it's okay, guys. So thank you. I think this is the last part, and thank you with my project. And I will come again with the new one. Till then, bye, and keep supporting my page. Thank you very much.